Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be actually short. I just want to announce something that my channel, Hannah Alexis, has finally reached 500 subscribers. Yes! I just wanted to say that. And then, you know, I'm always a person where I gotta aim for the stars. I gotta keep going. 500 subscribers is not gonna be my end goal. The next goal is to 1K. So this video is about the road to 1K subscribers, which on my Social Blade, which is just like a website that like they used to like see your projections, you know. So on my Social Blade, it said that I will get 1,000 subscribers by October. So I want to challenge all of y'all. I just hit myself, but that's cool. I want to challenge all of y'all to beat that date. Can we get 1,000 subscribers before October? I think we can. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing on my part, and then I'll tell y'all what y'all can do for me. As of today, my channel is going to be strictly lifestyle genre, if that makes sense. That's the broadest genre that I could see myself, because honestly, if you look through all my videos, they are so random. So I feel like just sticking to one category, you know, would just, you know, be centered for the people who actually want to see my content, and I can see that. And also, I'm going to be more consistent with my filming. So I'm always going to be uploading on Saturday because I have the weekend off from school. So that will give me time to actually film and edit and upload it by Saturday. So that is the plan. I'm putting it into the universe. 1,000 subscribers by October. We can do this, y'all. We're halfway there, okay? So I believe in y'all. Y'all need to share, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be that annoying ass YouTuber now.
Smash that fucking like button.
No, I'm really not gonna do that. But I would appreciate, you know, if you shared this with your friends. I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, liked it, comment whenever you think I'm just pretty, cute, funny, any of that things, you know. But I'm literally just rambling, but it's just mind-blowing that I have 500 subscribers. That's wild. And I know that sounds so small, but there was a time where I literally got like 3 views and they were all from me. So this is just a jump to like see 50,000 views. I don't think I know 50,000 people. So that's just crazy. 50,000 views. That's a lot to me. You know, you got these YouTubers like Liza Koshy and, you know, DDG and DK4L. You know, they got millions of people. I'll never get to that, but you know, I'll be okay with 1,000. I'm happy with that. But no, yeah. So I'm just trying to make better content for y'all. I'm gonna be doing a series, like I said. I'm gonna be doing more hauls so I can shop more, of course. I'm going to be doing advice videos if y'all want. Anything in the lifestyle realm, world, whatever y'all want, let me know. Yeah. This is too much talking. Okay, let's try. This is what I need from y'all. I need you to comment down below, what do you want to see from this channel? What kind of videos do you want? What kind of content? Just anything you can think of. Comment it down below, let me know so I can incorporate it. I've had some suggestions so far, which I will be doing either this month or next month. Since I'm uploading every week, I might get spicy and upload twice a week. Probably not, but you will guarantee a video every week, though. I promise you that. What else I gotta talk about? What I gotta talk about? Let's have a dance party. Let's go. 500.
I don't care how I crush a ghost. Got 2 cooks in 2 states. I be doing the most. What it do, boo? Meet me at the room at 5. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try. Big bang, take no back. Big bang, take no back. Big bang, take no back.
But I hope y'all y'all enjoyed that video. So this video is not gonna count for the week. I will post a video Saturday. That's gonna be a either vacation try on haul or my summer favorites. Y'all can actually choose which one y'all want. Comment that down below and I will film that Friday, upload it Saturday. So yeah, I'm out of breath from dancing. Whew. Whew, girl, that was a lot. Alright y'all, so that's it. I just want to say thank y'all so much. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart for y'all sticking with my crazy self, and I'll see y'all Saturday. Bye. Are we rolling? Okay. I would love for my I can't talk. Okay, let's try it again. Like can't talk. Okay. I cannot talk. Okay. Alright, so this is Jesus Christ. Mess. Oh y'all. I did my hair natural. And it grew. Anyways. I meant to twerk. I meant to be a naughty girl. Time to celebrate, time to celebrate. Yeah. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, my lips look good. I can't wink, y'all. Oh, wait, I actually did. Okay, bye.